Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, we will be making this fully functional DIY tripod. It has foldable legs, an adjustable center column, a rotating head, and a tilting plate. All of these functions in just a zero-cost tripod made entirely from cardboard. It functions really well just like a legit tripod, and I'll show you guys some of the footage I took using this. But before all that, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and as well as the notification bell so you'll be updated for my new inventions. Alright, let's start. Begin by cutting these strips of cardboard and sticking them together like so.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself.
To make the center column of the tripod extendable, follow these easy steps. As mentioned earlier, we can make a Pringles can as an alternative to the cardboard roll.
Behind me.
holes to the column extension. It should look like a flute, like mine.
Look behind me.
Anyways, the length of this piece depends to you, as long as it does not elapse the length of the main center column.
Look behind. Look behind.
For the head part, make the following pieces and assemble them together like so.
Where's the life light? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where's the life light? Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I love. Look behind me. Just live my. Look behind me. Just live my. Just live my. Look behind me. Just live my. Just live my. Look behind me. Just live my. Just live my.
This is a threaded screw, the most important piece to mount your camera to the DIY tripod. If you have an old selfie stick or monopod, you can get the threaded screw off of it and recycle that for your homemade tripod, just like what I did. This piece makes the plate tilt at a 90 degrees angle. You can simply install and remove it on the tripod whenever you like. You can then paint or design your work after assembling all the pieces. For me, I'll just keep it like this.